Today I will be giving you the tour of our homestead. So this is a 5-acre homestead, and we have different sections. We have the bird section, we have our garden, we also have the sheep section, and that's it. We have some free areas to roam around, but we try to keep the animals together. And as you can see, we have a lot of trees, and to me that was really important because they do provide a lot of shade, especially here in the heat of Texas. So to me that's really important. I will show you some of the structures that we have. So let me get started. One right here, this year we haven't used it, but this is our chicken tractor. This was a really nice tractor. It's got the wheels in the back, that way we can move it around. And because it was winter, we had to put this tarps on top. So it's got the wheels that can be assembled and disassembled, so we can move this chicken tractor around. When I recorded this video originally, it was a very windy day, so now I'm doing a voiceover. This area that you're seeing right now, this is the birds area. We have chickens, ducks, and it's all enclosed because we have had some hawks in the past that they just come and kill our animals. So with this has been a deterrent for them, and it has worked really well. And right next to the birds, we have the rabbits. We have Tamuk rabbits. We have a total of 3. This one just had babies, and they're just beautiful. We do raise these rabbits for meat, and they're the perfect animal for the homestead because they're really quiet and they reproduce really fast and a lot of time. So you might want to get some rabbits. So in this area you're watching, our garden is fully enclosed as well, just to protect it from animals. We have a total of 10 beds on one side and 2 more on the other side. We mostly grow cucumbers, squashes, herbs. You know, we're still testing what works. We have tried corn, bush bean, asparagus, watermelon, and many other things, but we're still in the learning / testing phase of our garden, so we're learning. And this is a video from last year. This is how it looks when it's fully grown. And we obviously have catnip, and this beautiful black cat. Well, she doesn't have a name, but she goes crazy with catnip. Now further into our land, we have the sheep area. It's a relatively small area for the sheep, but that's why we have those little carts on the right that we use to get the sheep out so they can eat more of the grass on the side. You'll see in this video that this is the first time they're coming out in the spring, and we have a new babies. Most of them do not know the procedure, so you'll see that they'll go in and then they'll go out. Some of them they don't even go in. I had to go inside and actually go and pick them up. So this is a taxi sheep dynamic, and then we just move them around, take them to an electrified fence where they can go eat at their heart's content. And towards the back of the property, we have a small A-frame that we built. That one we use for guests, or sometimes we rent it as a short term on Airbnb or Hip Camp, and it's quite nice. We really like it. And we have come at the end of the video of the tour of the property. If you have any questions or you want to ask something, you know, I would love to answer your questions if you have any regarding husbandry of the animals or the garden. And, you know, or if you have any questions regarding the acreage, I can also help you as well. So please let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.